Welcome to today's class, Redox Reactions, Part 2. For you to have a good understanding of what we are going to do today, I would advise, if you did not watch Redox Reactions Part 1, do well to watch the video. In today's class, we are looking at oxidizing and reducing agents. Oxidizing and reducing agent. Remember, in our last class, we defined the two concepts of oxidation and reduction in terms of oxygen, in terms of hydrogen, in terms of electrons, and in terms of oxidation number. So we are going to consider oxidizing and reducing agents based on these four concepts. Okay, so for number one, we said that an oxidizing agent is a substance that donates oxygen. An oxidizing agent is a substance that donates oxygen. That is to say, in this kind of reaction, any substance that donates oxygen is an oxidizing agent. On the other way around, a reducing agent is a substance that accepts oxygen. Remember, I told us in part A of this topic that oxidation is the reverse of reduction, or reduction is the reverse of oxidation. So we are still going based on this fact. Alright, so we take the reaction between carbon and zinc 2 oxide to give us carbon 4 oxide and zinc metal. We want to identify the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. By definition, I told us an oxidizing agent is a substance that donates oxygen. So we look at the reactant. The substance that bears oxygen is zinc 2 oxide. So in this reaction, the oxidizing agent is our zinc oxide, zinc 2 oxide, while a reducing agent is a substance that accepts oxygen. In this reaction, carbon accepts oxygen to form carbon 4 oxide. So this is our reducing agent as far as this reaction is concerned. Number two, we considered in part 1 oxidation and reduction in terms of hydrogen. So based on this, we can say that an oxidizing agent is a substance that accepts hydrogen, while a reducing agent is a substance that donates hydrogen. So in this kind of a reaction, a substance that will accept hydrogen is the oxidizing agent, while the one that donates hydrogen is the reducing agent. Alright, so for the reaction between hydrogen sulfide and chlorine gas to give us hydrogen chloride, and sulfur. The reducing agent is hydrogen sulfide. Why? Because this is the substance that donates hydrogen, while our oxidizing agent is chlorine. So chlorine will accept hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide. Number 3, we said that an oxidizing agent, based on electron transfer, an oxidizing agent is an electron acceptor. An oxidizing agent is a substance that accepts electrons, while a reducing agent is a substance that donates electron, or is electron donor. For example, our oxidizing agent chlorine will accept 1 electron to give us chloride ion. The chlorine is an oxidizing agent, and for the reducing agent, sodium metal is a reducing agent. Why? Because it donates electron. Chlorine is the oxidizing agent. Why? Because it collects electron. Alright, so finally, oxidizing agent is a substance which undergo reduction, while a reducing agent is a substance that undergo oxidation. Oxidizing agent is a substance which undergo reduction, while reducing agent is a substance which undergo oxidation. For example, in the reaction, our reducing agent is iron, while the oxidizing agent is copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. We say an oxidizing agent is a substance which undergo reduction. So in this reaction, this copper in combination with tetraoxosulfate 6 ion is reduced to copper metal, while iron is being oxidized to iron 2 here. Alright, let us wrap it up by looking at common oxidizing and reducing agents. Common oxidizing agents include concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, concentrated trioxynitrate 5 acid, acidified solutions of potassium heptaoxydichromate 6, acidified solution of potassium tetraoxymanganate 7, oxygen, acidified metals, hydrogen peroxide, manganese 4 oxide, chlorine, silver, etc. and etc. These are all common oxidizing agents. We look at common reducing agents. Common reducing agents include, we have hydrogen sulfide, sulfur 4 oxide, concentrated hydrogen chloride acid, iron 2 salts, potassium iodide, ammonia, carbon 2 oxide, carbon, hydrogen, metals high in the reactivity series, etc. and etc. Thank you very much for watching, and do well to subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget we will be taking in our next class, we take redox reactions part 3. Thank you.